South winds around 5 miles an hour. Heat index values up to 100 in the afternoon. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows around 70. South winds around 5 miles an hour. The extended forecast for the listening area. Saturday. Piedmont of North Carolina, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles east of Monroe, or near Sturtevant, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Wingate, Marshville, and Sturtevant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Union, North Carolina,